guys, it's Heny as promised. Today we are going to talk about my anti-aging secrets. Of course, you all know by now that I am 41 going on 42. Lots of you have been asking me to share my anti-aging strategies, so here we go. The answer is actually really simple. I don't have one magic cream that solves all my problems. It doesn't work that way. The secret is in the choices that I make every day. Before we start, I'd like to make a disclaimer that I'm not a skin expert, I'm not a nutritionist or a doctor. I'm just somebody who likes to take care of her skin and her health, and I just want to share with you the things that I do over the years and show you how to keep yourself feeling young and looking young. If you're a teenager or in your 20s, you can start today. You are never too young to start taking care of your skin. Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Oh, and this is not a sponsored video. I am not sponsored by any of the brands I'm going to talk about in this video. This is just the things that I do and I use on a daily basis. Oh, and I think I have to answer some of your frequently asked questions. Okay, so people ask me whether I've had plastic surgery or Botox, and the answer to both questions is no, I have not. If I have, I think I'm going to share it with you because I'm someone who loves to share and I love people who love to share, and there's nothing to be ashamed of in getting plastic surgery or Botox. So I think if I have, I'm going to tell you. Okay, so now let's start with my first tip. This is going to be a long video, so just sit back and relax, okay? Tip number 1, drink water. Skin needs moisture to stay flexible, and water is your skin's BFF, and it's also good for your health. So drink lots of it. Tip number 2, eat healthy. If you want healthy skin, you have to nourish your skin from the inside out. I make sure that my diet consists of carbohydrates, proteins, and lots of fruits and vegetables. Do I still eat junk food? Of course I do, because I gotta live a little, but I do it in moderation and I don't overeat. So eat lots of fruits and vegetables daily and you'll see a difference. Tip number 3, avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Both can age the skin. I think those of you who smoke know that smoking is not good for you, but I also know that it is a difficult habit to break. So if you have not started smoking, don't start. For the sake of your health as well as your appearance, don't start. Okay, now let's talk about alcohol. Overindulging in alcohol can actually affect the look of your skin. Alcohol dehydrates your body generally, including your skin. If you want to drink a glass of red wine with your dinner, I think that's okay because red wine has antioxidants in it. But what I'm talking about is excessive amount of alcohol. Drinking too much is also thought to deprive the skin of vital vitamins and nutrients. How? I'm going to read something out for you. I will leave the link down below for you to read. I'm reading an article from Dr. Oz. Can drinking alcohol really speed up the aging process? Well, the truth is that yes, it can make you age faster by causing wrinkles. Alcohol can have a huge negative impact on your vitamin A level, which is very important antioxidant for your skin and body. Vitamin A is also extremely important in the production of collagen. When you have lower amounts of collagen, you lose elasticity in your skin. So the more you drink, the more you speed up the aging process. Especially if you like those cocktail drinks, there are lots of hidden calories and sugar in them, and too much sugar is not good for your skin. Which brings me to my next tip. Tip number 5, limit your sugar intake. So why is too much sugar bad for your skin and your health? I'm just going to read something from the Huffington Post, and I'm going to leave the link down below so you can read it. I'm just going to read this out really quickly. Simple carbohydrates like refined sugar, white bread, and soda cause your insulin levels to spike, which can lead to inflammation throughout the body. And this inflammation produces enzymes that break down collagen and elastin, resulting in sagging skin and wrinkles. So thankfully, I don't have a sweet tooth because I know that too much sugar is not good for my health and my skin, so I don't crave for it. That's why I avoid drinking soda and sugary drinks. Do I like soda? Of course I do. Do I like drinking sweet, cold iced tea? Of course I do. But every time I want to drink it, I ask myself, do I want it? Is it good for my health? Is it good for my skin? The answer is no. And that's why I always drink water with my meals because it is the healthier choice. The only sugar I allow is in my coffee, which I don't drink every day. I drink coffee whenever I go to Starbucks, and that is like twice a week. maybe 3 times a week at the most, but I don't drink coffee every day. Okay, so translation, less sugar, better skin. Okay, tip number 6, be active, exercise. I'm not an exercise junkie, but I try to exercise 3 times a week, 30 minutes to 60 minutes per session. When you get your heart pumping, you're supplying your skin with a nice dose of oxygenated blood, and it gives you that great post-workout glow that I love. Okay, so my next tip is beauty sleep. They don't call it beauty sleep for nothing. Cells renew and regenerate when we sleep. So when you can, if you can, get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Next is DIY mask. I swear by this mask and I use it almost every day. If you follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. Yes, I'm talking about my egg white and honey mask. So I started using it when I was 13 and I'm still using it to this day. There are lots of benefits that you can get from egg white and honey. Egg white is great for tightening and toning skin, and also egg white helps you fight bacteria that causes acne. And honey has antiseptic and antibacterial properties and is also a great moisturizer. I normally use this mask before I shower, so I leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes or even an hour if I have the time, and then I rinse it off with warm water and then I take a shower. Okay, and my next tip is skincare. Find a skincare routine that is suitable for your skin type. So you have to know what your skin type is and then choose product accordingly. So I've been using 2 brands in my skincare routine and I've been using them for 4 years. The first brand is Michael Todd, and also I use skincare from Derma Clinic in Jakarta. I'm really picky when it comes to skincare. I want my skincare to be free of alcohol, parabens, and fragrance. And I really love these brands that I've been using. Okay, the first one is Michael Todd. This one is organic and certified vegan. This one is the dry skin regimen. This is actually really inexpensive. I think this is only $89 and you get 6 products. But sadly, this is not available in Indonesia. I always get it straight from the website in the US. And I use this service on Instagram that is called Men From US. I will leave the link in the description box. So Men From US is like your personal shopper in the US. They will help you shop and ship your product so you don't have to deal with customs and stuff. Okay, now I use the dry sensitive skin regimen. So I wash my face with this. I exfoliate once a week with this. This is the toner I use, and I also use toner from Derma. And you also get this facial mask, which I never use this one. Okay, these 2 are my favorites. This one is the serum. This one is hydration boost. And I also love this eye cream. And I combine Michael Todd with these products from Derma. This is actually from my dermatologist, which brings me to my next tip. Visit a dermatologist if you have skin issues. So if you're dealing with skin issues like acne, fine lines, wrinkles, or whatever it is, consult with a dermatologist. I started going to Derma in 2013, I think. At that time, I was pushing 40 and I wasn't struggling with problems like acne or anything, but my skin was super dry. It was really dry and really dull. So I got this treatment where they put vitamins on my face and it worked. The first 2 months I went weekly, but now I don't even go once a month. But my skin is healthier, so I can maintain with my DIY mask. But next time I go to Derma, I think I'm going to vlog. I still love and use their skincare, so this is what I use. So this is the toner. This is excellent if you have dry skin. This toner is super hydrating. Sometimes I only use this at night if I'm feeling lazy. And I also use the vitamin C. This is the vitamin C of life. If you have dry skin, you are going to like this. So the Michael Todd regimen doesn't come with a moisturizer, and this is what I use. And for SPF, I use this. So I use this after the vitamin C. Okay, my next tip is baby your skin. What I mean by that is be very gentle with your skin. Apply skincare gently. I don't normally apply skincare by rubbing it like this, so I don't pull and tug my skin, but I normally dot my skincare and then I pat very gently. The same goes when I'm putting on my makeup. I apply my makeup really gently. For example, I never use this foundation brush underneath the eyes to apply foundation with because I don't think this is soft enough. And you tend to pull and tug your skin underneath your eyes when you're using this kind of foundation brush. And every time I see somebody pull and tug their skin like this, I think I die a little. So be very gentle. If you want to apply foundation underneath the eyes or maybe concealer, just use your finger or use a concealer brush or use your beauty blender. I think that's soft enough. Okay, the next tip is remove your makeup. I think sleeping with your makeup on is one of the worst things you can do to your skin, so always take your makeup off. Okay, my last tip is be happy, be positive, always try to see the good in people, always try to see the good in life. Surround yourself with positive people who will bring out the best in you, who will have your back, who will make you a better person. And yeah, just be happy. Remember guys, we are in control of our own health. We are in control of how we age. So start making the right or maybe the better decisions today. So in 20 years, your older self will thank you. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful. Stay young and healthy and I'll talk to you guys really soon. Bye guys.